Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from the Blend team. In this video, I'll show you one of our favorite features in Blend called playlists. A playlist is a pre-built word chain that you can use for your blending drills in a streamlined and more focused interface. With playlists, you can create all of your lessons ahead of time and use them again and again throughout the year. You can even tap into the Blend library, which is a collection of playlists covering many different phonics concepts created by our very own reading specialist. This is such a powerful feature and it's going to save you so much time in lesson planning. I can't wait to show it to you, so let's get started. The first thing I'll show you is how to get to the playlist screen. From the home screen of the Blend app, you can click on the Playlist tab at the top left corner. This will bring you to the playlist screen where you can view all of the playlists in your library. If you don't have any custom playlists of your own, the first thing you'll see is the Blend library. Everyone has access to the first 3 playlists in the library for free, but only Blend Pro users can access the rest of the collection. You'll see here that creating your own custom playlists is also a Blend Pro feature. If you'd like to browse all of the playlists in the Blend library, you can head to blendreading.com and click on Library in the top menu. Here you'll see the entire collection grouped by phonics concept, and you can click on each one to get a preview of the playlist and see some of the words in the word chain. Back in the app, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account and show you how to use a playlist. Now that I'm logged into my Blend Pro account, you'll see that when I go to the playlists view, the first thing I see is my collection of custom playlists. Using the drop-down at the top of the screen, I can sort my playlists by name to make it easier to find the lesson I'm looking for. And now you'll see when I go to the Blend library, I do have access to the full collection of playlists because I subscribe to Blend Pro. Aside from sorting, I can also type in the search bar up here to filter the playlist by name and make it easier to look for, say, all of the short vowel playlists in the library. Now I'll show you how to use a playlist with one of the free playlists in our library called Vowel Teams Mix. The play button next to the title will launch the playlist in the app. This is what a playlist looks like. You have the grapheme cards in the middle of the screen, and at the bottom you'll see a list of the words in this playlist. To advance the playlist, I just click anywhere on the right side of the screen. You don't have to be too precise in clicking on the arrows. And you'll see as I click through, the graphemes will change, and I can go back in the playlist by clicking on the left side of the screen. You can also click on any of the words in the progress bar at the bottom of the screen to skip to that point in the playlist. If you'd like to minimize distraction and hide all of the labels on the screen, you can enter focus mode by clicking on this button at the top left, and you'll see that the cards grow bigger and the progress bar and title disappear. You can then continue on in your drill by using the same controls. Using a playlist really gives you the freedom to focus on how your student is performing during the drill rather than looking for the next grapheme tile to click on if you were using a deck. Playlists are especially useful if you're using any sort of curriculum or program that has pre-built word chains that you would use for each lesson. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to switch into the deck view from a playlist. Now this is one of my custom playlists called Silent E-Practice, and say I'm going through a drill and I'd like to deviate from the pre-built word chain that I have. Every playlist is linked to a deck, and if you have that deck in your library, you can click on the title at the top of the screen and it will launch you straight into that deck view. This playlist is linked to the combined blends deck that everyone has access to, and you can see now that I have that deck open and I can go ahead and manually build whatever word I'd like to. That's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful in showing you how to use a playlist in Blend. This is one of our most powerful features and we really hope that you enjoy it. Let us know in the comments if there are any other tutorial videos you'd like us to make. Until next time, thanks for watching!